Hey, happy fall, you all. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing from Amazon. 2 paint by numbers, one from Tumovo and one from Opelberry. So stay tuned. Welcome back all to those subscribers and viewers, returning viewers. If you are not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I have different crafts on playlist for your liking. Please let me know if you want me to repeat a craft that we have been done for a long while, except for resin. Resin I don't do on the winter time or cold weather because my apartment is enclosed. So any other craft you're more welcome to request. So let's stay tuned. Let's go the unboxing, but first I gotta prepare the table because, you know, as you can see, the letters are bigger than the table. Than they cannot fit in the camera. So, and my nails are with in combination with the fall. So let's see. Let's get started. So here it is. This one is from Opelberry and this one is from Tumovo. So let's do this one first because apparently this one is folded. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay, so here it is. One of my favorites. Lighthouse. Here is the image. Okay, here are the icons with the brushes. We got over here the colors. We got 24 colors. Yeah, 24 colors. We got the colors appropriate for this. You can see most of these colors are gonna. So let's open. Let me move this over here. The canvas is kind of a little stiff. It comes with a shard, which is very good, but it's an awful small shard. Very small. God, I wonder if I'll be able to see the numbers. God, take a look at this. I'm gonna have to need a magnifier for this. So this is something I don't like. The shot should be bigger so you can see the numbers. Take a look at this. It's an area where it has small numbers. And then here we have the canvas itself. I don't know what size it is. Let me see if I can find the size. I think it's a 16 by 20. Yes, it's a 16 by 20. It says it's sort of on the box. So, but that's the canvas size. Okay, so it's colored. That's good. Okay, and let me see the area where they have a lot of small that I'll just show you on the shard. So you can see the numbers correctly. Yeah, this is the area with a whole bunch of small numbers, and you can see them. You You can even see that one. That's a 3. What about this one? This one is that one is a 10. Right there. That's a 10. So the canvas, it's like a plasticky. It's not a cloth. It's not that stiff, but it's kind of plasticky. Whoops. I'm sorry, Mickey. Mickey's still on the... I'm filming at 6 o'clock in the morning and Mickey's still here with me. Okay, so here it is. It's beautiful. It's gonna be a nice canvas to do. Let's see how the painting does. Okay, let me grab the box. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. I'm asleep. He's quiet in his bed, in the living room bed. So here it is. It's a good canvas. I don't like the chart is too small. That's what I think. So if you miss it, you're gonna need a let me check this area for the small number. We got a 4 there. A 17, a 13. Wait, that one is really small. A 1, that's a 1. That's the number 1. So this is a nice canvas. The chart, I don't give it a plus. I'm sorry. The chart is too small. That's the only thing that I don't like. That the chart is too small. And I'm gonna put it outside. I'm gonna put it inside here along with the paints. I don't like it folded, but at least this one don't, well, it has some creases. I'm gonna have to iron this. Yes, you can iron this. I'm gonna put the picture in here. October 10 and 11, we're gonna have deals in Amazon. So it fit perfectly. I didn't put the brush because I use another set of brush. So that's that one. Let's see, Opelberry is more of a premium paint by numbers, and the box is holographic. It's a nice box. You got some paints over here. Which one you will paint next? This one is out of stock on Amazon. Okay, you got Tips for Great Experience. Okay. It tells you that the mark is protected by trademark and copyright laws. Okay. Tells you what the package contains. The acrylic water plane. So, and this is the image. Oops. This is the image what I bought for the winter time. So let's see what the box brings. Nothing else. Here's a thank you. And that's it comes with 30 colors. Yep, 30 colors. Take a look at those beautiful colors. And it tells you over here, if the paint is thin, not to worry, add 3 drops of warm water. But I use Beaded from Liquitex. If you want a real good tutorials about paint by number and what you need, because you see the paint is the most expensive, the rest is okay, and a good set of brushes, but they Melanie B Studios is a good website, a good YouTube channel to go to. She has everything, unboxings and a whole bunch of tips and everything and tutorials. And then it comes with these 3 nice brushes. Opelberry. Even has the brand of the paint. Got the small one for detail, the round one, and the flat one. I'm planning to use this one. I can use, so just to test it. And now let's see the canvas. The canvas has a tape on it. Oh yeah, I don't like tape. I don't like tape. Now we need to, let me get, these I bought it in Amazon. Okay, I thought this was the chart, so it doesn't come with a chart. Let me roll it backwards so we can see it. It doesn't come with a chart. That's the only drawback that I see of this brand, because I don't see the chart. No, there's nothing else in here. Here they are, but the numbers are big. And this is in red. I wonder how it's gonna take the light colors, you know. But take a look at this. Let me see. That's the bird. That's the bird house and the tree. Okay. I'm trying to look for small numbers. Oh yes, you can see them. You can see that 8 in here. Let me show you. Let me point you with a finger. That's one of the smaller spaces, that the little 8 on there. Let me bring you in a little bit more. That's an 8. You see it? And this is a 2. A 12, I should say. A 12. That's a 12. And that's an 8. So you can see the numbers fairly. The canvas is kind of plasticky. I gotta take this tape out. I like the fact that it's not that, but I'm gonna put gesso on it. I'm not gonna, you know, leave it like that. So I'm gonna put gesso on it. So this is a pretty one. Too bad. I thought this was the short, that, you know, it will come off out of here, but no, that's the whole canvas, and that's the bird. That's one of the birds. This is the other one, the one on the top. And you have the house and the tree and the background. Background number 25. Yeah. So this is a neat one. Well, folks, I'm gonna leave you over here with this one. I'm gonna leave you over here with this one. Well, thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. I hope you accompanied us in this journey of paint by numbers. I'm gonna looking forward to it. Okay. Thank you again, and thank you to the subscribers, and thank you to the new people. Please subscribe. Consider checking the playlist to see which craft are you interested on. So I have a little bit for every taste. I'm a jack of all trades, master of none, if you can say that. So, but that's okay, because I love crafts. Okay, I love all crafts. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.